Welcome to another episode of Millennial Investing Explained. Here's today's question. Can you give an example of a specific strategy or trade maybe that a millennial could put on?
Yeah, I think if you're starting, the best place to start is with spreads because it's defined risk, defined profit. So everything you do with the spread, you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. There's no guesswork involved. And really, it's all defined math. You know how much you can make, you know how much you can lose, and you know the probability of success. So to me, that's the best way you can start. Like there's no out for you on that if you over allocate. Like if you invest too much money, that's on you. If you're just like wildly gambling and you know you have a low probability of winning, but you're trying to go for that home run and it doesn't work out, that's on you. So I think that it allows people to learn how things really function very quickly. So if you're starting young, if you're a millennial, if you're just getting into this, you probably want to focus on spreads because they can control risk so much better. And so to me, I think spreads are an easy way to do it because everything's defined, it's knowable, there's no unknown factors like margin fluctuations, and it makes it a lot easier for somebody starting out.
That's all for this episode of Millennial Investing Explained. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel to get even more free content.